Question number 5. Propane reacts with oxygen gas to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. So this question we know is a combustion, right? Reacts with oxygen, produces water vapor and carbon dioxide. This is spontaneous then. We predicted spontaneous. We predicted to have a very large negative delta H. And also we're going to look at the entropy change. So this is going to be from 6 moles of gas to 7 moles of gas. So this is going to be plus 1. So this is going to be work done by the system. Okay, let's calculate the delta H. So the delta H for water, again looking at the table, is minus 241. For carbon dioxide, it's minus 393. For propane, it is minus 103.85. And for oxygen, remember, it exists as oxygen gas, so heat of formation is 0. So this gives us about minus 2043 kilojoules, just like we predicted. Okay, let's calculate the bond energy. So what does propane look like? Propane looks like this. So we're going to be breaking 8 CH bonds. We're going to be breaking 2 CC bonds, right? 2 CC bonds. We're going to be breaking 5 O double bonds. We're going to be breaking 6 C double bond to an O bond. And we're going to be forming 8 OH bonds. So we're breaking 8 CH, breaking 2 CC bonds, breaking 5 O double bond to an O, forming 6 CO double bond to an O, and forming 8 O double bond O bonded to an H. So this will give us about minus 2031. So remember, for bond energies, we do the bonds broken minus the bonds formed. Okay, let's calculate the N. So delta N, we said earlier, goes from 6 moles to 7 moles, so plus 1. And if we do the math, and we do minus delta N RT, with R being 8.314 joules mole per mole Kelvin, and we do this as 300, we round it, then we will get an answer of around minus 2.5 kilojoules, so minus 2,500 joules. So, and then we convert it to kilojoules. Okay, so this is, remember, negative work is work done by the system. So really make sure that you understand what the negative and what the positive work means. So then let's calculate the delta N of the system. So this, because everything is, all the products and reactants are gases, it's going to be the same as the delta N of the gas. Oh, pardon me. Right here it's 1 plus 1. No, plus 7. Okay. So let's move to the next part. So delta S is going to be 4 times 188 for water. Same calculation as with enthalpy. Just look at the table. For carbon dioxide, it's 213.74 minus 270.2. For the propane, minus 205.14 times 5, because we have 5 oxygens. So this will give us about plus 100.64 joules per Kelvin. So we want to multiply this by 300 Kelvin, right, to get T delta S. This gives us about 31 kilojoules. So if we calculate delta G delta H minus T delta S, we remember we have minus 2043 minus 31 kilojoules. This gives us about minus 2074 kilojoules. So this is negative, meaning spontaneous, as we predicted, right?